Hi guys,
Okay, so we're buying plants today, but
we are in this
Kenzie's showing us some stuff.
and
We're buying rosemary and coriander.
I will show you.
She's gonna show us some stuff.
This is my bike.
That is not your bike?
Yeah,
So we're at a place called South Plants whatever,
look at that bike.
and there's heaps of stuff. This is not our bike, it's just a random person's bike.
Yeah.
There's a sheep over there that we want to show you guys, so let's go over there, and it's a bit muddy over here by the grass. Okay, Kenzie's showing us the Sue, whatever it's called. Sue from Cristiano. Yeah. So there's sheep over there. Sheep, I'm pretty sure, I don't know. It's a bit muddy over here, so sheepy. Okay, so Kenzie's saying meh. Okay, let's go over this side because our dad is over this side. There's heaps of plants here. A lot of good ones.
Meh.
Meh. Dad's over there. Kenzie, there's no Calvin, no Juan.
No,
There's no Abigail.
no, because she's going to India.
Yeah, Chrisanda's in India, so that's a new member. Yeah.
And she's not
Okay. Heaps of stuff.